Want to cancel your Shopify subscription but don't know how? No worries. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Shopify subscription so that you don't get recurring charges. So let's start with the process without wasting any more time. First of all, go to admin.shopify.com with a browser of your choice and log into your account. Next, click on Settings from the lower left corner of the screen. Now click on Plan from here. Here, you will find the plan you are using. Now, to cancel your Shopify subscription, you have to close all the stores you have opened. So, from here, click the Deactivate Store button. Next, click on Deactivate Store from here, and then follow the on-screen instructions to deactivate the store. Once you are done deactivating the store, your credit or debit card won't be charged anymore. So guys, that's how you cancel your Shopify subscription. If the video was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you want more tech tips, subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.